Namaste and welcome friends. Today we see Basic Mathematics Unit number 2 Trigonometry. Subtopic is Factorization Formulae. I am VN Bachchao, lecturer in Mathematics, KQAG Polytechnic, Nasik. After watching this video, the learner will be able to apply the concept of factorization formulae to solve the given simple problems. What is meant by trigonometry? Trigonometry is the study of the measurements of sides and angles and relation between them with respect to a triangle. It is used to determine heights and distances. Here factorization means to express sum or difference as a product. Simply remember this, factorization means to express sum or difference as a product. And these are the factorization formulas. First formula is sin c plus sin d is equal to 2 times sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Sin c minus sin d is equal to 2 times cos c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. Sin c plus sin d is equal to 2 times cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Cos c minus cos d is equal to 2 times sin c plus d by 2 sin c minus d divided by 2. Friends, pause the video and try to simplify this by using compound angle formulas. Sin c plus sin d is equal to 2 times sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Recall and remember the compound angle formulas. Think it and try to solve this. If you complete your answer, then please play the video and check your answer. First, we use the formula of compound angle. Sin a plus b is equal to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Denote this equation number 1. Sin a minus b is equal to sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Equation number 2. Add equation 1 and 2. We get sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. Addition of this side and addition of LHS is, we cancel this, we get 2 times sin a cos b. Then we put a plus b is equal to c and a minus b is equal to d. After simplification, we get value of a is c plus d by 2. Means if we take addition of both, c plus d is equal to b get cancelled 2 times a. That means a is equal to c plus d by 2 and value of b is c minus d by 2. We put these values of c, d, means a plus b is equal to c, a minus b is equal to d and a is equal to c plus d by 2 and b is equal to c minus d by 2. We get the sin c plus sin d is equal to 2 times sin c plus d by 2 cos c plus d by 2. Friends, try to solve another show the another formula. Sin c minus sin d is equal to 2 times cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2 by using same method. Now to see example, prove that sin 3a minus sin a divided by cos of 3a plus cos a is equal to tan a. To write LHS is equal to sin of 3a minus sin a cos of 3a plus cos of a. Here we know that the formula of sin c minus sin d. We use the formula sin c minus sin d is equal to 2 times cos c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. In denominator cos c plus cos d. We use this formula. Here value of c is 3a and value of d is a. Means we get 2 times cos of 3a plus a upon 2 sin 3a minus a upon 2. In denominator 2 times cos 3a plus a by 2 cos 3a minus a by 2. 3a plus a is 4a divided by 2 is 2a and 3a minus a is 2a divided by 2 means a. Then we check the terms. Here 2 get cancelled. Cos of 2a and cos of 2a get cancelled. Then sin a upon cos a, which is the value of tan of a. Hence we get the RHS. Similarly, example number 2, prove that sin 4a plus sin 5a plus sin of 6a cos 4a plus cos 5a plus cos of 6a is equal to tan of 5a. Friends, first we interchange the terms. Here LHS is sin 4a plus sin of 5a plus sin of 6a divided by cos of 4a plus cos of 5a plus cos of 6a. Here if we take addition of 4a plus 6a means 10a. 10a divided by 2 is 5a. We use this trick. Addition of any two terms is divided by 2. We get the remaining term. So we take these two terms in sequentially. Write in sequentially. Sin 4a plus sin of 6a plus sin of 5a. Cos of 4a plus cos of 6a plus cos of 5a. Then we use here sin c plus sin d formula, and in denominator cos c plus cos d formula. Here we get 2 times sin 4a plus 6a divided by 2, cos 4a minus 6a divided by 2 plus sin 5a as it is. Similarly in denominator 2 times cos of 4a plus 6a divided by 2 into cos of 4a minus 6a divided by 2 plus cos of 5a as it is. We simplify this. 4a plus 6a divided by 2 means 5a. 4a minus 6a divided by 2 is minus a. Same in denominator. 2 times sin 5a cos of minus a plus sin of 5a, 2 cos of 5a cos of minus a plus cos of 5a. Here we take sin of 5a as a common from numerator and sin of 5a as a common from numerator and cos of 5a as a common from denominator. So sin of 5a in bracket 2 cos of minus a plus 1, in denominator cos of 5a in bracket 2 cos of minus a plus 1. We cancel the same bracket. We get sin 5a upon cos 5a is equal to tan of 5a. Now to see another one example. Sin a plus sin 2a plus sin 3a plus sin of 4a divided by cos a plus cos 2a plus cos 3a plus cos of 4a. Similarly, we use here same trick. We check the angles a, 2a, 3a, 4a. Means addition of any two angles. Means 4a plus a is 5a, 2a plus 3a is 5a. Means we rewrite this. Sin a plus 4a, sin a plus sin 4a, another bracket sin 3a plus sin 2a. Now to see, LHS is sin a plus sin 2a plus sin 3a plus sin of 4a divided by cos a plus cos of 2a plus cos of 3a plus cos of 4a. Then we rewrite this equal to in bracket sin a plus sin of 4a bracket complete plus another bracket sin 3a plus sin of 2a bracket complete. Similarly in denominator, in first bracket cos a plus cos 4a plus second bracket cos 3a plus cos of 2a. We use here sin c plus sin d and cos c plus cos d formula. Here 2 times sin a plus 4a by 2 cos a minus 4a by 2 plus 2 times sin 3a plus 2a divided by 2 cos of 3a minus 2a divided by 2. Same in denominator, 2 cos a plus 4a by 2 into cos a minus 4a by 2 plus 2 cos 3a plus 2a by 2 cos of 3a minus 2a by 2. We simplify this bracket. A plus 4a means 5a by 2. A minus 4a means minus 3 by 2. 3a by 2. Similarly here 5a by 2. Here a by 2. Similarly each and every bracket we simplify and we get this equal to 2 times sin 5a by 2 cos of minus 3a by 2 plus 2 times sin 5a by 2 cos of a by 2 in denominator 2 times cos of 5a by 2 cos of 3a by minus 3a by 2 plus 2 times cos of 5a by 2 into cos of a by 2. Now we check in numerator. Here 2 times sin 5a by 2 and second term 2a sin 5a by 2 as a same term. So we take as a common 2 sin 5a by 2 in bracket cos of 3 minus 3a by 2 plus cos of a by 2 bracket complete. Similarly, in denominator we take 2 cos of 5a by 2 as a common and we write remaining terms in bracket cos of minus 3a by 2 plus cos of a by 2 bracket complete. So we cancel the same terms, 2 get cancelled, both brackets are cancelled. Sin 5a by 2 divided by cos 5a by 2 is equal to tan of 5a by 2, which is equal to RHS. Now to solve for more practice, try to simplify this. Show that sin a plus 2 times sin 3a plus sin of 5a divided by sin 3a plus 2 times sin of 5a plus sin of 7a is equal to sin 3a divided by sin 5a. Second one, prove that sin of 9a minus sin of 7a divided by cos of 9a minus cos of 7a is equal to minus cot of a. Thank you for watching this video.